Transcription number 468 start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, I am entirely in sympathy with the purpose underlying the resolution moved by my honorable friend. As I see it, the resolution seeks to inquire into the causes of increase in expenditure and suggest measures for affecting economy. Sir, I do not think that there can be two opinions on the need for such a probe into the causes for the increase in civil expenditure that we are noticing. Whether the expenditure is justified or not is another matter. But somehow the country and the House have the wrong impression that civil expenditure has been increasing at a phenomenal rate after the launching of the 5 years plans. So, sir, to set at rest such notion that these increases are unjustified, at least the government ought to agree to look into the causes for the increase in expenditure. I agree that a commission may not be the most suitable machinery for having such a probe. A commission consisting of members of parliament, but it is immaterial what machinery is set up to investigate into the whole position. I would go to the extent of saying that government may think how best to inquire into and what machinery would be most suitable for inquiring into the rise in civil expenditure in recent years. Para. Sir, I do not want to weary the House with facts and figures, but let me point out at the outset that the problem has to be viewed objectively. One honorable member said that, having regard to the high ideals set up by the father of the nation, the expenditure that is being incurred by the government in the name of 5 years plans is extremely high, and that we should be guided by the standards set up by Gandhiji. There was the other extreme point of view where one member urged that because we are engaged in national reconstruction, the whole administrative machinery is geared to the implementation of the plans, so that there can be no distinction between plan expenditure and non-plan expenditure, and so everything is justified. This was the opposite view. We should steer clear of these two extreme views and see how far the rise in expenditure is justified by the tempo of developmental activities, how far it is a vast and how far it could be eliminated. Sir, this problem has to be looked at from the larger perspective. Stop.